Hello everyone, welcome to BDS Online classes. Dear students, today in this video I am going to teach you about the chemical property of ether. In my last video I told you the dehydration of alcohols, but today in this video I am going to teach you about the second chemical property of ether, that is a nucleophilic substitution, electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, dear students, the electrophilic substitution reaction of ether is carried out in following terms. Number one is halogenation. Okay, number one is halogenation. Halogenikaran. Dear students, when aromatic ether, that is any sol, undergo nitration reaction, it react with halides or bromine in presence of ethanoic acid, formation of orthopara bromo anisole takes place. Means what? Aromatic ether, that is anisole, एथेनोइक एसिड की उपस्थिति में ब्रोमनीकरण करके आर्थोपैरा ब्रोमो एनिसोल बनाता है. लेट्स बी सी. दिस इज अ एनिसोल, this is a anisole. It is also called as a methoxybenzene. It undergo bromination in presence of ethanoic acid. In presence of ethanoic acid and formation of a mixture of ortho and para bromo anisole takes place. This is a mixture of this is a mixture of ortho para bromo anisole. Okay, ortho para bromo anisole. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप कह सकते हैं कि जब एनिसोल एथेनोइक एसिड की उपस्थिति में ब्रोमिनेशन करता है तो यह आर्थोपैरा ब्रोमो एनिसोल प्रोडक्ट देता है. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन ऑफ एरोमेटिक ईथर इज Friedel-Crafts reaction. Number 2 is a Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Okay, dear students, as you know that The aromatic ether represents two kind of the Friedel-Crafts reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation. So first of all, I want to tell about Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Dear students, when anisole or aromatic ether or methoxybenzene undergo alkylation reaction in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of a mixture of 2,4-methoxytoluene takes place. मतलब कि जब एनिसोल और मेथॉक्सीबेंजीन एल्काइलेशन रिएक्शन एल्के हैलाइड के साथ करता है तो यह 2,4-मेथॉक्सी एनिसोल देता है। ओके, और यह रिएक्शन क्या होता है? एनहाइड्रस एल्यूमिनियम क्लोराइड की उपस्थिति में कंप्लीट होता है। लेट्स बी सी। दिस इज द anisole that undergo reaction with alkyl halide, that is a methyl chloride. We take methyl chloride as a alkyl halide in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous aluminum chloride, and formation of a mixture of 2,4-methoxytoluene takes place. Okay, minor, major. This is a 2-methoxytoluene and 4-methoxytoluene. ओके, तो जब एनिसोल मेथिल क्लोराइड से एल्युमिनियम एनहाइड्रस एल्युमिनियम क्लोराइड की उपस्थिति में एल्काइलेशन रिएक्शन देता है तो यह 2-मेथॉक्सीटोलुएन और 4-मेथॉक्सीटोलुएन का मिक्सचर देता है। ओके, यह एल्काइलेशन। ओके, सो द एल्काइलेशन ऑफ anisole with methyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride gives the product 2-methoxytoluene and 4-methoxytoluene as a mixture. Okay, it is a minor and 4-methoxytoluene is a major in quantity. So I hope that all of you understood about the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Next, let's be see the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay, dear students, in Friedel-Crafts acylation, the anisole undergo reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of 2-methoxyacetophenone and 4-methoxyacetophenone takes place. Overall, you can say that when anisole undergo acylation reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of a mixture of 2,4-methoxy 2,4-methoxy acetophenone takes place. Let's be see. This is a anisole that reaction that react with chromyl chloride. Okay, this anisole undergo reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 and formation of a mixture of two four methoxy acetophenone takes place. Here 2-methoxy acetophenone and here 4-methoxy acetophenone. Okay, this is a minor, this is a major. So dear students, let's be see again. This is a anisole, that is a methoxytoluene that undergo acylation reaction, Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction with this particular anisole undergo Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction with chromyl chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, formation of 2-methoxy acetophenone which is minor in quantity and 4-methoxy acetophenone takes place. Okay, so these students, this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation. Next and last is nitration. Okay, we can represent the electrophilic substitution reaction of ether also in form of nitration. Dear students, when anisole undergo nitration reaction with the mixture of sulfuric acid and nitric acid, formation of 2,4-nitroanisole takes place. Means आपका एनिसोल सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और नाइट्रिक एसिड के मिक्सचर के साथ क्रिया करके 2,4-2-नाइट्रो एनिसोल और 4-नाइट्रो एनिसोल बनाता है. लेट्स बी सी. And this is a anisole, as you know that it undergo reaction with mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4. H2SO4, okay, and formation of 2,4-nitro anisole takes place. See a minor, see a major, okay, see a 2-nitro anisole, see a 4-nitro anisole, okay. So this anisole undergo nitration reaction with a mixture of HNO3 and H2SO4. It form 2-nitro anisole, which is minor in quantity, and 4-nitro anisole takes place, that is a major in quantity. So students, I hope that all of you understood about the electrophilic substitution reaction of ether. Thank you. Have a nice day.